what teamLab does too is like we are trying to explore the new relationship between word and human being. Because like human being nowadays, we are cutting the word by using word boundaries, and you making boundary to separate the word, to trying to understand the word. But we believe that there is another way to try to understand the word. For us, it's the way is like transcending the boundaries, trying to break those boundaries to discover and explore the new relationship between word and human being like us. teamLab was founded in 23 years before, and there were 5 founders. Like 5 founders was friends to each other. They established this company when they were in master's student in Japan. So it was quite natural to let us collaborate within our community. I mean, in our case, it's organization. And then our culture is still there. Like it's super free to collaborate with the other team. There's no also boundaries between like department or something like that. Still in our company, our size is getting more than 1,000 members to work with, but still it's free, quite free to collaborate with strangers in the studio. I think in the concept-wise, trying to understand the world is the company's goal. But I think more individually, like our motivation is trying to make the best experience that we can make. Why LAM Master course is important for these communities? These communities, it feels like it's small community, but like it's still big community in the world. So like I feel like everyone is fighting with the market or the partner individually, but everyone is spending their experiences by making their own works. So it's going to be a very valuable opportunity to share succeeded story or failure story in the community to let moving forward with the communities. That's the key, I think. And then the reason I participate this conference is because one of the organizers invited me to visit the LAM Museum in this March. And I was quite surprised to see like what's Hungarian mind beneath the artworks is. Because like if I visit this kind of like immersive experience in the world currently, sometimes it's just too commercialized or too Instagrammable. But those artwork I have seen in LAM Museum, it was mostly it's science-based. The scientists trying to make interesting result from scientific perspective and to try to make it by utilizing them into the artworks. So I thought it was quite fun to participate because we also science-based. Most of the members came from our engineering field, so we thought it's going to be a good match with this LAM community and what we are doing. Well, maybe within this 1 week, we can share a lot more story within our communities and trying to find out each one have found the little hints for the next step to going forward for them, for us. That's going to be the successful, it is master course, I think.